Wisdom Guidance 2. Let yourself look for and access whatever is your most troubling feeling that you're encountering these days in your life without judgment or without letting it be vague. Be as lucid as you can and name the feeling. Whether it's fear, grief, anger, loneliness, anxiety, or whatever you uniquely are finding difficult, give some moments to not only recognize it, but also to feel it. Recognize that this is an honoring of your integrity, humility, and courage to face what so many of us try to get rid of. Let in the feeling and perhaps some of the thoughts that accompany it that make it even more difficult. And stay with it and let it be palpable and truly felt as it normally is, while allowing the feeling you chose as challenging. Let your attention to the part of you that wants to care for yourself through guiding thoughts that have qualities, both to care for the suffering and also because you want to find guidance as to how you can move toward healing. Feel that urge as much as you can from your belly that wants to soothe or strengthen yourself as needed. You might say something like, I really want to find a way to make this easier, more tolerable, or perhaps even a way to come to greater peace. As you feel this desire to care for yourself, let it lead to a question. What thoughts would help guide me to take me in the direction that I need to go to support my heart, my life, and those around me? Again, what thoughts would help guide me to most take me in the direction that I need to go to support my heart, my life, and those around me? Allow yourself to really hear the melody of the thoughts, to allow it to support you on both an awareness and energetic level. Remember, your inner tone is just as important as the words when it comes to wisdom guidance. You're looking for simple, guiding thoughts like, be gentle, as you aren't feeling this on purpose. Be alone and contemplate, as you are genuinely confused. Dig deep and reach for the courage to express yourself with sensitivity. Only you can know which words of wisdom would guide you from this feeling. Consider not only the feeling you're in, but also the timing, the environment you're facing, and finding the thought that is realistic and supportive without creating harm. You may say something like, this feeling would be difficult for anyone, and really realize that there's no one where this feeling would be easy. Or, it's natural that I feel this, and I want to focus on courage, trust, containment, or whatever quality would be most helpful. You may decide that your wisest thoughts would be most helpful by suggesting taking certain actions, like communicating, avoiding a particular hopeless encounter, spending time in silence, or establishing a healing exercise program. Again, only you can know. Come back to the question again and again. what are the thoughts with heart qualities that will be my best focus to navigate my life while feeling this challenging feeling? Remember, it's easy to get carried away by the challenging feeling and not trust the vital importance of your wisdom's guidance. It's vital that we remember that when we don't feel good in any way, not to follow that old adage, follow your feelings, and to let them lead us into harmful thoughts. When it comes to challenging feelings, the new paradigm is trust your simple wisdom guidance at these moments of real suffering. Look for and let your wisdom guidance be your center, and more a sense of who you are becoming. Let yourself hear, I am dedicating myself more and more to deepen my reliance on my wisdom guiding thoughts and qualities, especially at these times and moments of great challenge, not only for myself, but also to be more loving in a world that so badly needs all of our help.